Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ford Bronco Badlands versus Wildtrak. The Badlands is engineered for challenging rock crawling and technical trails, featuring specialized suspension for maximum articulation. Conversely, the Wildtrak is built for high-speed desert adventures, offering a different set of performance enhancements. Both are incredibly capable off-road vehicles, but their strengths lie in distinct terrains, catering to different types of drivers and their preferred adventures. When it comes to performance, the Badlands boasts the Haas 2.0 suspension system, equipped with Bilstein position-sensitive dampers, ideal for navigating uneven terrain. The Wildtrak steps up with the Haas 3.0 suspension, featuring Fox internal bypass dampers, designed for absorbing impacts at higher speeds. Additionally, the Wildtrak comes standard with a potent 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 engine, providing ample power for its intended use. The Badlands enhances its rock-crawling prowess with a front stabilizer bar disconnect, allowing for greater wheel articulation over obstacles. The Wildtrak, on the other hand, comes standard with larger 35-inch tires and beadlock-capable wheels, perfect for aggressive off-road driving. Both models are equipped with Ford's innovative G.O.A.T. modes, which stands for Goes Over Any Terrain, providing optimized settings for diverse off-road conditions. Deciding between the Badlands and Wildtrak ultimately depends on your preferred off-road adventures. If you envision tackling challenging rock gardens and technical trails, the Badlands is your ideal companion. For those who crave high-speed desert runs and expansive overlanding trips, the Wildtrak is engineered to excel. Whichever you choose, you're getting a highly capable vehicle. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.